Hello friends, welcome back to our biology class. So yesterday we have started second chapter, that is the fundamental unit of life, and we have studied about the cell theory and shape and size of the cell and discovery of the cell. And today let us study the next chapter topic, that is type of cells. So the cells can be two types, that is prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. So pro means primitive. Then the primitive type of cell, the organisms which are having a primitive cell, it is called as a prokaryotic cell. So the organism, primitive type of cell means the cell will not have a definite nucleus in it. So such type of cell without definite nucleus or the nuclear membrane is absent, such type of cells they are called as prokaryotic cells. And next is eukaryotic cells, that is the organism with definite nucleus. Then membrane bound cell organelles are absent. So last year you have already studied the difference between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. And membrane bound cell organelles, they are present in eukaryotic cell. And single chromosome is present in prokaryotic cell and more than one chromosome is present in eukaryotic cell. Example, bacteria for prokaryotic cell, and example for eukaryotic cell is all higher plants and animals. So now you know what type of cells are there. Two different types of cells, that is prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. And now you have also studied the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic. For 3 marks, if they ask you the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell, you have to write 3 points with example also. Now let us see that the eukaryotic cell, example of eukaryotic cell is all higher plants and animals. They are eukaryotic cell. So it can be unicellular or multicellular. Uni means one. So the organisms which are having only one cell, they are called as unicellular organisms. And multi means many. So the multicellular organisms means the organisms with many cells, more than one cells, they are called as multicellular organisms. Example, plants and animals. So now we shall see what are the difference between plant cell and animal cell. So plant and animal cell both are multicellular eukaryotic cells. So now let us see the difference between plant cell and animal cell. So this also you have studied in the previous year, that is the 8th standard. You have studied the difference between plant cell and animal cell. Today again let us recall those points. So the size of the plant cell is generally large comparatively to the animal cell. If you compare, the size of the plant cell is large, and in animal cell size is small. And cell wall is present in plant cell, whereas cell wall is absent in animal cell. And nucleus lies in one side of the cell. Most of the plant cell, it is having the vacuole, and nucleus lies in one side of the cell, whereas nucleus lies in the center of the cell in animal cell. And plastids are present in plant cell. Plastids are nothing but the chloroplast which will prepare the food for the plants. So plastids are present in plant cell, they will prepare food for the plants, whereas plastids are absent in animal cell. So today we have seen the type of the cells, prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell, their differences, and also the difference between plant cell and animal cells. In the next video we are going to continue the other topics. Thank you.